Hey everyone, happy Veterans Day. It's Yvette here. And as always, I'm joined by Robert. We missed you all last month. And at CGX, we don't just help fight gentrification through ownership, we also work hard with our other two initiatives, the Launchpad Collective and Lucha Vida IE. Follow their social media for the exciting things that we're doing there. Today, we're diving into November's housing market updates and what they mean for you as a potential buyer or seller in San Bernardino and beyond.
Now that the election is over, a new president coming in January 2025, let's talk about what everyone's been wondering. What's happening with the market and what will happen next? On mortgage rates, home prices, and inventory, we've got the answers to those big questions.
First up, mortgage rates. We've seen a bit of good news lately. Rates have dropped from their recent peak. According to Bankrate, they're at 6.91% today, November 11th, making it a great time to think about locking in your dream home. Remember, rates are not likely to drop back down to pandemic levels of 3%.
Exactly. Many experts predict rates will hover around 6% range going forward. So if you're waiting for rates to fall further, remember that other buyers are waiting too. When rates dip, we'll see competition heat up. And you already know, supply and demand. Rates come down, comp heats up, prices go up. Entering the market now gives you the edge before the frenzy starts.
And you mentioned them, home prices. Contrary to what some headlines might suggest, prices aren't crashing. The market in general is stabilizing and we're seeing moderate appreciation. What does this mean? If you're a buyer, purchasing now allows you to get in before prices increase. And for sellers, your property's value is still holding strong.
In San Bernardino, the median home price on a 3-bed, 2-bath is $517,500. That number was in the 300s less than 5 years ago. Which gets me to equity. If you've owned your home for a few years, chances are you've built up a good amount of equity. That equity can be a game changer, whether you want to downsize, upgrade, or invest in commercial real estate. At CGX, we help you make the most of that hard-earned equity.
Speaking of inventory, this is where things get interesting. While it's still a seller's market with more buyers than homes available, we are seeing an increase in new listings. That's great news for buyers struggling to find the right property.
And for those thinking about selling, more inventory doesn't necessarily mean your home won't sell. It means buyers now have more options, which creates a more balanced market. That's a win-win. But the key for owners considering selling is that your agent has to price it right. We have you covered there too. We combine our almost 30 years of real estate experience with AI to value homes right.
Finally, the big question we've heard since the election is, will the market crash? The short answer is no. The data shows we're in a very different place than in 2008. Homeowners today have record levels of equity and lending practices have been much stricter, which means the foundation of the market is solid.
Absolutely. I remember 2008. I was in New York. I saw the lead up, the bubbling of the market. I saw the inflated values, the crazy paid for appraisals, the loose lending regulations. It was the Wild West. That crash happened for many reasons, none of which are relevant today. As Yvette mentioned, the foundation is solid today. Real estate is still one of the best ways to build generational wealth, especially in a growing area like San Bernardino. With new developments, infrastructure improvements, and increasing demand, now is a smart time to make your move, especially in San Bernardino.
So whether you're buying your first home, selling to move up, or looking to invest in commercial property, we're here to help guide you through it all.
I'll reiterate this. In San Bernardino, ownership will be key as we move into the new year. A lot of changes are coming in 2025. So give us a call or a text 909-453-3152 or stop by our office at 1255 East Highland Avenue, Suite 214, right here in San Bernardino. Let's start building your wealth through real estate today.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at Carrillo Group CNY for updates, insights, and more. We're Carrillo Group CGX, where we do
real estate with purpose. Peace.